crystals. The golden hour illuminates the heart of the steel plant. Here, raw materials are forged into the building blocks.
Hold it there, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
We need to optimize the magnetic coils here for sustained velocity. Agreed. The adjustment to the cowling reduces the drag significantly. The aerodynamics improve significantly with this iteration.
Let's finalize the adjustment on the coupling mechanism and run the diagnostics.
A little more to the right. Okay, hold it there. It's aligned. Secure the bolt. A little to the right, hold it there. All right, lowering now, make sure the guides are clear. Looks good, set it down. Hold it steady, watch your side.
Okay, it's seated. Confirmed.
The automated scan of the undercarriage is complete.
And the data matches the CAD model within acceptable parameters.
The scan shows a slight variance on the coupling point here. Yeah, I see the deviation on the heat map. It's within tolerance, but let's double check the alignment. Watch the lower right corner. Easy now. Got it, coming down. Okay, push it firm, it's locked in.
Connection secured on the main terminal block.
Confirmed on the schematic.
Watch the alignment on the left side. Okay, lowering it slowly now. Hand me the torque wrench.
Bring it down slowly on the left side. Okay, watching the clearance.
How are the readings on the tablet?
Power draw is nominal. The diffusion looks perfect.
Check the coupling mechanism data point. Looks stable. Confirmed. The thermal readings match. Approved.
All primary systems are nominal. We have a green light.
Acknowledged. Maintaining speed. The traction motors are responding well.
And the leveling system is maintaining stability. It's a success.
Watch the corner, keep it straight. Looks good from here, nice and smooth.
All checks complete. Yard lead 1 to control. Train 42 is clear for departure.
The brand new express service to Central Station is now arriving on Platform 3. Please stand behind the yellow line.
The high-speed service to Central Station is now arriving on Platform 4. Please stand clear of the doors.
Morning. Look at that building. It's huge.
Traveling at unprecedented speeds, this marvel of engineering speeds through the breathtaking landscape towards the sunset.